and remaining females attack the intended target. Using all his strength, the male tries to suffocate the buffalo, but its straining muscles form a steel barrier around its throat. The lionesses do their part, trying to immobilize it by piercing its spine. Once the buffalo is down, the hunt should be over. But the herd returns in an attempt to rescue their comrade. They confront the pride with their formidable armor. They lick the fallen animal, encouraging it to stand, and form a barrier between the injured buffalo and the predators. Then, one buffalo